In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Teams chat history. Now, before we jump into the actual clicks, it's important to understand what clearing chat history really means in Microsoft Teams. Unlike some messaging apps that allow you to wipe an entire conversation on both sides, Teams is more limited. What you're really doing is deleting individual messages that you've sent from your own view and from other participants' view in that specific chat. You are not deleting the entire chat thread or removing the other person's messages. You're simply cleaning up what you yourself have posted. Let's walk through the basic process. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat where you want to remove a message. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Find the specific message that you'd like to delete. You'll notice that when you move your mouse over that message, a small menu appears near it. On that message, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. It usually appears to the right of the message when you hover your cursor over it. Click on those three dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that message. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Teams may briefly show a confirmation or simply remove the message from the chat window. After you do this, your message will disappear from your view, and other participants in the chat will no longer see that message in their conversation either. In many cases, they may just see a small note indicating that a message was deleted. If you want to clear several messages, you'll need to repeat this same process for each message. Hover over the message, click the three dots, then click Delete. At the moment, Microsoft Teams doesn't provide a built-in button to erase an entire chat history in one go, so deleting is done message by message. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You may not be able to delete messages that other people sent. That depends on your organization's settings and your role. Also remember that your organization's administrators may still retain records or logs of messages even after you delete them from the chat view. And that's all there is to it. By hovering over a message, clicking on the three dots, and then selecting Delete, you can quickly and easily clean up your Microsoft Teams chats.